In this whole series of WordPress, we will learn how to set up a website and how to publish it in the production. That is, it is on the live site. So we will make a small website. How is it possible on our local machine? And then we will export that simple website to the production site. And in this whole series, we will learn each and every step of WordPress and its options and how we can add menus, posts, pages in our WordPress website. So let's begin. The very first thing that we need is to have a server where we can run the PHP code, and it is handled by the Apache and SQL server. Those things are mandatory to run a WordPress website. In this video, I will use XAMPP control panel. So let's start and both these servers, Apache and MySQL. In another video, we will look at how to install XAMPP control panel. There are a few more also, but we will work on this XAMPP control panel. So let's start both of them. So let's open the browser. The very first thing that we need to do is to download the WordPress files from wordpress.org. So this is the official WordPress website, and click on the Get WordPress and scroll down. There you see to download the WordPress files. Lately, WordPress version 5.7.2 has been released, and we are going to use this version only. So click on download, and it will just take a few moments. Meanwhile, while the files are being downloaded, let's check the server whether it's working or not. Click on admin. Okay, so that means our XAMPP control panel is working, and also click on admin. It confirms that our MySQL server is running. Okay, the WordPress files has been downloaded, and now open the directory where we have to locate the files. You can open the directory where you have to place the files by clicking on the Explorer. Okay, here we have to place all the files in this htdocs. So let's open this zip file and drop all those files here. So rename the directory. How it's possible. Enter into this directory and rename the wp-config file. That is the sample that is provided, and we have to change it to wp-config from wp-config sample. Now let's open this file. Here we have to fill 3 parameters. The very first one is database name, the second one is database username, and the last one is database password. So let's first create the database. Create a database. You have to go to my phpMyAdmin, click on new, and enter the database name. Here we are using it. How it's possible. Copy this one and click create. Okay, fine. So again open the file editor. You can use any file editor. Currently here I am using Sublime. You can choose any. You can also use Notepad. So is the database name here. For the XAMPP control panel, default MySQL database username is root, and no password is set for this root user. Okay, save this file and hit the URL localhost/how it's possible. Okay, here we are going to install the WordPress. Click on select the language whichever suits you. Click on continue. Right here, the site title, as I'm using how it's possible, and you can choose any username and any password you want. Here I'm going to use very weak password 12345 and click confirm, and you can use any email here like user@howitspossible.com. Okay, for this search visibility engine, this is an important thing. For example, if you want that your website is to be searched by the search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing and other search engine sites, then you should not tick this option. Otherwise the search engines will start indexing your sites. Currently we are on the local machine, so we do not have to worry about this option. But for now, we are going to tick this option and click on install WordPress. That's great. Installation has been finished, and click on login. Now type the username, okay, and then the password that we set 12345. Click on login. So this is how we install WordPress. If you want to visit the front end of this website, you have to just remove the wp-admin and click hit and enter, and then you see we have a simple, beautiful site. So in the next video, we will get familiar with the backend of WordPress admin, and then we start exploring the other section of the WordPress. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and do like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.